So in this video we will learn how to solve the expressions using the grouping symbols. So we have three problems over here. In the first one you can see we have 3 brackets 6 minus 2 and in parentheses we have 6x plus y. So in order to solve this we have to first solve the innermost parenthesis, which is x plus y. So how do we do it? First we write 3, we leave 6 and negative sign. So a negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and then we have negative 2 times positive y, which is negative 2y. So what we did, we simply multiply this one with this first and then 2 with y, and that is why we have here negative 2x and negative 2y. And in this bracket we find it again that if we can simplify it further or not. We cannot, because x and y are not the same term. Then we multiply 3 with 6, we get 18. 3 times negative 2x, we get negative 6x, and the final we have 3 times negative 2y, we get negative 6y, and that is our final answer. Number 2 is also similar, just a little bit longer. So let's try this. First we have two parentheses over here, this one and this one. So this is the one we will be working on first. So we have negative 2, we write 3a simply, we don't do anything with it. Then we multiply the negative sign with b, negative sign with positive b, that is negative b. Then negative with times positive 2c, we get negative 2c. Okay, then we have positive with d, that is just the d sign, and then we get negative 3e. And over here you can see these are all 5 different letters, so we cannot simplify it further. So now negative 2 comes into play. So negative 2 times positive 3a, that is negative 6a. Then we get positive 2b when we multiply with this, and when we multiply negative 2 times negative 2c, we get plus 4c. Then we get negative 2t, and the final we have plus 6c. And oh, that's e, sorry, yeah, 6e. And that is our final answer, because we cannot simplify it further. The last one, we have two brackets over here, so we will solve this one within first and this one. So let's see. So we write 2 simply, 3x, again we multiply the negative sign with y, we get negative y and negative w, and that is it for this bracket. And the second one, negative 3, 2x, we have over here positive 2y, 2 with multiply 3y, so we get 6y, and then we have 2 times negative 2w, that is negative 4w. Okay, and now we will solve this one. We get 6x, 2 times 3x is 6x, then negative 2y and negative 2w. Over here we have negative 3 times positive 2x, we get negative 6x. Then negative 3 times positive 6y, we get negative 18y, and the final one we have plus 12w, because the negative sign times negative, we get positive. So negative 3 times negative 4, that is plus or positive 12w. Now we see if we can further simplify this, and we can. We have two x's, these are the like terms, one is negative, one is positive, so they cancelled out. Then we have negative 2y and negative 18y, we get negative 20y, and finally we have negative 2w and positive 12w, we get plus 10w, and that is our final answer. In the next video I will be giving you 10 problems to solving the grouping symbols, and it will be very easy. after that doing enough practices. So if you have any questions or concerns or any future topics that you would like, you can comment down below. This is I'm just new on the YouTube channel, as I said before, so any type of feedback will be appreciated. Thank you, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe.